Have you ever opened a trade, watched the price move just a little against you, and suddenly your entire position disappear? That is called liquidation. It's one of the biggest reasons beginners crypto traders stop trading. The sad part is most liquidation are completely avoidable. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what liquidation is, why it happens, and the simple steps you can take to avoid getting liquidated. If you're new into futures trading, this video could save you a lot of money. Now let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification button, because in this video we're going to be talking about liquidation and what liquidation is, how to understand how it works actually. Alright, first of all, what is liquidation itself? Liquidation happens when your losses become so large that the exchange automatically closes your trade because you no longer have enough money in your account to keep that position open. Think of it like borrowing money from a friend. If you borrow money to buy something and the value of that thing keeps dropping, your friend who borrowed you money will or might eventually take back all of their money because the price of what you bought, the value of what you bought keeps dropping. So instead of them losing the whole of their money, they intend to collect it back from wherever the money is remaining. That is exactly what exchanges does. It closes your trade before your account balance goes below the amount needed to cover the borrowed funds. Once you're liquidated, you lose most or sometimes all of your money you put into that position. Now, why do beginners get liquidated? Now let's talk about the biggest mistakes beginners make. Number one mistake: using too much leverage. This is the number one biggest reasons why many beginners traders get liquidated. Many beginners traders see 50x or even 100x leverage and think they will make more money. Yes, you can make more money, you can make higher profit, but also you can make higher losses and even sometimes blow your account. The higher your leverage, the closer your liquidation price. That means even a tiny price movement can wipe your trade. If you are a new beginner trader, we always recommend you stick to 1 to 2x to 5x leverage, because you always want to risk what you are comfortable losing. Mistake number 2: trading without a stop loss. A stop loss is one of the most important tools in trading. Instead of waiting for the exchange to liquidate your trade, you choose where you are willing to accept a small loss. Professional traders lose small. Beginners traders often lose everything because they refuse to use a stop loss. Always decide your exit before entering a trade. Always decide where you want to take profit before even entering that stage. Mistake number 3: risking too much on one trade. Many beginners traders believe trading is a miracle or trading is a luck. Trading is not luck. Imagine having $100 account and you're putting the whole of that $100 on a single trade. One bad trade, one emotional trade could destroy your account and put your mental health at risk. Instead of risking all, risk small. Risk only small percentage of the account you are comfortable risking. Many experienced traders risk just 1% to 2% per trade. That way, even if you lose several trades, you still have money to keep trading. Remember, your goal is not to win in one trade. Your goal is to stay long in the game enough for you to become profitable. You need to stay long enough for you to become profitable. So your goal is not to win one trade. Mistake number 4: entering random trade. Many beginners see one green candle and immediately think, oh, I need to buy this, or they panic after seeing a red candle and immediately sell off. That is emotional trading. Always wait for your setup. Have a reason for entering the trade. Always ask yourself, where is my entry, where is my stop loss, and why am I entering this trade? If you can't answer those questions, don't even enter the trade. Don't think of it. How to stay safe as a trader, as a beginner futures trader. Here are 5 habits that can greatly reduce your chances of getting liquidated. Number 1: use lower leverage. Always use lower leverage, because leverage is one of the important tools also in futures trading. It can give you a lot of money, and it can also help in blowing your account. You don't need to use 50x leverage to become profitable. Alright, so number 2 chances where you cannot get liquidated: always use a stop loss. Protecting your account should be your first priority before even making money, because if you don't protect your account today and you lose your account, tomorrow you will not be able to trade. Number 3, risk only small amounts on each trade. You don't have to risk the whole of your account in order for you to make profit, because huge losses are usually the result of poor risk management. Number 4, wait for quality setup. Patience in trading is the strategy. That's why we have a Telegram channel, link will be in the description below, where we share our trade signals exactly, so you don't have to stress yourself about trading signals. All you need to do is follow the simple rules we give on our signals, and you take your trade. We make money, you make money. Link will be in the description to join our Telegram channel. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with Data Exchange app, link will also be in the description below, where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. Now, number 5, you need to keep learning. The more knowledge you gain, the fewer emotional mistakes you will make. Final thought: here is something every beginner needs to hear. Getting liquidated doesn't mean you are a bad trader. Almost every successful trader has been liquidated at some point. The difference is that the successful traders learn from their mistakes instead of repeating them. Focus on protecting your capital. If you protect your account, you always have another opportunity. That's why, once again, we have our Telegram channel, link will be in the description, where we share our exact trade signals, where you don't have to stress or worry about anything. All you need to do is follow our instruction and you make money from our trade signals. Link will be in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notification bell, because we will be posting more beginner friendly trading videos like this that will help you become a smarter trader. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.